Hello and welcome to Day 1 Snack. Today we're going to be making dirt cups, one of my favorite snacks. So we're going to start off today by making our instant pudding. So we're going to take a packet of chocolate pudding and put it into our mixing bowl. And then we're going to take 2 cups of milk. So there's 1, and there's 2. And then we're going to use a whisk to whisk this all together until it's all mixed up real well. Okay, make sure there's no clumps of pudding powder left over. And then we're going to be mixing in a tub of Cool Whip. We're going to mix in the entire tub into our pudding mixture. Okay, and whisk that again. And the Cool Whip is going to turn the chocolate pudding into a little bit of a lighter color. And just make sure that it's all mixed in very well. Okay. Then we're going to take 15 Oreos, which is about a sleeve and a half from a regular package. And we're going to put those into a bag. Make sure your bag is of the thicker kind. This is a freezer bag specifically. And then you're going to take some sort of mug or can, or if you have a rolling pin, and you're going to just gently crush your Oreos in the bag until they're very finely crumbled up. And then you're going to add half of these into your pudding mixture. So and I'm kind of just eyeballing it. It doesn't have to be exact. And then I'm just going to take a large spoon and use that to mix everything together. And then we are ready to put our pudding into our little cups. So I'm just going to be using some plastic cups. Set those out. I'm going to use a serving spoon to just spoon the mixture into our cups. If you're using taller cups, just about halfway full. Okay, and you're just going to do that with your entire mixture. It should fill about 10 cups full. And then you're just going to add the rest of your cookie crumble onto the top. There you go. Okay, and finally, you're going to take your gummy worms and you're going to add 1 or 2 gummy worms to each cup. Okay, and then you just have to refrigerate these for about an hour and then they're ready to serve.